How to upscale video quality for free. In this video, I'll show you the completely free way using an open source application called Video 2x. I'll guide you step by step on how to install it and how to use it to upscale your footage. Now, let's dive right in. So first, click the link in the description and you'll land on a page like this. Scroll down and find the download section. By the way, Video 2x only supports Windows and Linux. Click the download link and install Video 2x. The whole installation process is very simple, just follow the on-screen instructions. Once the installation is complete, open Video 2x, and you'll see an interface like this. Drop your video file, and you'll enter the processing page. Set Filter, Upscaling, as the processing mode. Then choose Real Escan in filter selection. Here, the numbers represent how many times you want to upscale your video resolution. You can adjust this based on your needs. And since our video is not an anime style video, we're selecting the Real Escan Plus model instead. After that, click on Encoder Options. This step is very important. Here we need to change the output suffix from MKV to MP4. Then click Apply, and finally Start. The system will begin processing your video, and this part can take quite a long time, so please be patient and let it finish.
2,000 years later.
Once the enhancement is complete, you can find the upscaled result in the same folder as your original video. If you feel that this enhancement process takes too long, or if you want even better and more advanced restoration results, HitPaw VikPea is a much better choice. It's very easy to use, offers a wider range of enhanced models for different scenarios, and delivers faster processing with even better results. It even supports batch processing, so you can enhance multiple videos at once. And that's it for today's video. I hope this guide helped you find the best free way to upscale your videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.